Facts about rocks by Noor Ahmed. Sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed when the Earth's surface is slowly wearing away and the rocks are being broken up into smaller pieces. The small pieces are turning into pebbles, gravel, sand, and clay. After a while, the pieces or sediments come together and form rocks called sedimentary. Most of the sedimentary rocks are formed underwater. Some examples of these rocks are sandstone, limestone, and shale. Sandstone is made from sand being put together. Limestone is made from tiny pieces of shells of dead animals being put together, and shale is made from clay that's been put together. Igneous rocks. Igneous comes from the Greek word fire. Inside the earth, the temperature is very high and there is liquid there called magma. The magma soon comes up onto the earth's surface, cools down, and turns into solid igneous rock. All the igneous rocks cool down in different ways, and that's why they don't all look alike. If igneous rocks cool down slowly, they form crystals. Granite is an example of a rock that has crystals due to the fact that it cools down slowly. They are also made when a volcano takes place and the lava or magma dries, and that turns into igneous rocks. An example of this kind of rock is basalt. Metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic comes from the Greek word change and form. Metamorphic rocks are rocks that have been changed. They are formed when one kind of rock turns into another due to the weather. The heat comes from magma, and the pressure comes from layers of rock on top of each other. Some examples of changed rocks are sandstone that turns into quartzite, shale that turns into slate, and limestone that turns into marble. The rock cycle. The rock cycle starts off with magma, then the magma causes a volcanic eruption which makes igneous rocks after it cools off, which then makes sediments which make sedimentary rocks. Then the sedimentary rock turns into metamorphic rock and the cycle repeats itself. The rock cycle affects the uplift of mountains. The rock cycle also uses mountains to crumble over time and break large rocks. Mountains that are made from metamorphic rocks can easily be broken down. The relationship between the cycle and volcanoes is that igneous rocks come from volcanoes, so volcanoes are part of the cycle. The earth has a relationship with rocks because one layer of the earth is made of rocks. Pressure increases with the deepness of the earth due to the weight of the rocks. Extra information about limestone. Limestone rocks are made from mineral calcite, which comes from evaporated sea and lakes, and from sea animal shells. Limestone is a fantastic building rock for humid areas.